Hi everyone, welcome back to the Indoor Garden Series. I'm here in my kitchen today and I'm going to show you how to grow your own fresh, tasty sprouts completely indoors in a jar. No soil, no grow lights, and minimal effort. Glad you're with me today. Let's jump in. To grow your own sprouts, you only need 4 things: a clear jar, mesh lid, seeds, water, and a sprouting stand is helpful but optional. Here's a quick overview. Seeds go in the jar, rinse with water, and they grow. First off, let's talk seeds. Sprouts grow best with easy to grow seeds such as lentils, mung beans, kale, radishes, or mustard greens. Today, we're gonna plant some lentils in our jar. Now this is the Crunchy Lentil Fest mix from my Grow Your Groceries with CaliKim December subscription box. A really nice combination of red, green, and French lentils. So in about a week, you're gonna have this. First, dump your seeds in a jar. I've got 2 teaspoons of seeds here for a pint-sized jar. Next, put your mesh sprouting lid on the jar. Next, cover your seeds about halfway with water, then let them soak on your countertop overnight. Soaking initiates the germination process and brings the seeds out of dormancy. The next morning, it's drain, rinse, repeat. Drain the water out, rinse the seeds again, drain again, and then put your jar upside down on your sprouting stand to continue draining the water out and provide airflow to the seeds. Continue the rinsing and draining process twice a day, morning and evening. This keeps the sprouts moist while preventing bacteria and mold issues. After 2 to 3 days, your seeds will start to sprout and grow little tails. And in about 5 to 7 days, you'll go from this to this. After about 5 to 7 days of rinsing, draining, repeating twice a day, when your jar is about half to 3/4 full, you'll have your own jar of fresh, nutrient-dense, delicious sprouts that you grew right on your kitchen countertop without soil and without grow lights. Harvesting our Lentil Fest sprouts is super easy. Just unscrew the lid, pull the sprouts out, eat what you want fresh. And if you're not going to eat them right away, you want to store them in the refrigerator, either in paper towels or this handy little organic cotton storage bag. The cotton will absorb excess moisture to help your sprouts last longer. Place them in the fridge, best if eaten within 3 to 4 days. Enjoy your sprouts in a salad, on a sandwich. I love them on top of soup, or for an extra little nutrient boost, just eat them fresh. Nice and crunchy. That's all there is to it. Growing sprouts on your kitchen countertop is such an easy process and such a fun one to have fresh, tasty sprouts growing during the winter time when it's too cold to grow outside. Any questions, pop them in the comments below. I really look forward to growing sprouts with you this winter. And do head over to CaliKimGardenandHome.com. We've got it all there for you in our December Sprouting Spectacular subscription box. The seeds, the jar, the mesh lid, the sprouting stand, and the sprouting storage bag. Gift-it boxes are available for the holidays, or you can subscribe and save, and you get 2 free plantable seed bows by Seed Boucations in each box. These things are really cool. All you do is pull the bow. It has this seed tape in it. And then you just plant the seed tape in a container or in a garden bed outside. And all you do is put the seed tape in the dirt, cover it with soil, and you have beautiful butter crunch lettuce. Really, that's all there is to it. Get $8 off your first box with the code Happy Holidays. Can't wait to read your comments. Thanks so much for watching. See you on the next video, and happy sprouting.